Dear students of class 6 BM and EM, welcome to our online class. Today our subject is English second paper and topic rules of voicence or changing voice. You know that rules of voicence is an important part of English grammar and it is also from your syllabus. Teacher, I am MD Abdul Qadir, Max sir. Dear students, if you enjoy this video from first to last carefully, you will get a clear sense about changing voice. According to system, we have to change the voice from active to passive, though we have to know at first what is voice. What is voice? Voice is the way of expressing verbs. Voice is the way of expressing verbs which describes whether the subject does the work or it has been done by the subject. There are two types of voice. If you ask how many types of voice, there are two types of voice and they are as follows, such as active voice and passive voice. Active voice and passive voice. We shall know in details. Active voice. What is active voice? The sentence in which the subject does the work by himself. Actively. In that sentence, the verb has an active voice. That means when somebody does something actively, himself, it is called active voice. And then the structure will be subject plus verb plus object. Example, I write articles. Passive voice. The sentence in which the subject does not do the work by himself actively, rather the object's work is done by the subject. In that sentence, the verb has passive voice. That means something is done by somebody. Structure, subject plus be verb plus verb 3, that means past participle of verb plus preposition by plus object. This is the structure of passive voice. Example, articles are written by me. Rules of changing voice. Some common rules for changing voice. Number A, active voice subject is changed to passive voice object. Active voice subject is changed to passive voice object. Number B, active voice object is changed to passive voice subject. Number C, a be verb will be used according to the subject and tense. Number D, principal verb will be verb 3, that means past participle of verb, such as do, did, done. Here done is the verb 3. Number E, a preposition generally by will be used before object. Just there are 5 common rules here, and if you learn these 5 common rules, voice change will be very easy for you. And there are some extra rules according to sentence and tense. We shall learn them step by step. Changing form of subject and object, such as I subject, object is me. In this way, we us, you, he, him, she, her, they, them, it, any name, any name. Forms of be verbs. Present, past and past participle. Am, was, been, is, was, been, are, were, been, and sometimes you may get be or being. Mainly be verb is very important for changing voice. For changing voice, active to passive, this is the main structure, especially for assertive sentence. We shall follow this structure. Here passive voice structure will be subject plus be verb plus verb 3 by plus object. And in active voice, if you get verb 1, then am is are plus verb 3, verb 2, then was were plus verb 3, verb 4 or verb plus ing. In passive voice, it will be being plus verb 3, have has had plus verb 3, been plus verb 3, and modal auxiliary if you get, then you have to add be plus verb 3. Verb 3 means past participle of verb, and following this structure we shall change the voice. Okay. If you get verb 1 in active voice, then we have to change and use am is are plus verb 3. For example, active, I write an article. I write an article. Here write is verb 1, that means present form of verb. Now we shall change it into passive. An article is written by me. An article is the subject of object of active voice and is be verb written past participle by preposition me object. In this way we shall change another sentence. Active verb 2 and passive was were plus verb 3. It is very easy also. Active, I ate rice. I ate rice. Rice was eaten by me, just according to the structure. Rina wrote a letter. A letter was written by Rina. She sang a song. A song was sung by her. Next structure, verb plus ing. If you get verb plus ing, then being plus verb 3 in passive. For example, mother is cooking rice. Mother is cooking rice. Passive. Rice is being cooked by mother. Next one, if you say mother was cooking rice. Mother was cooking rice, then passive. The rice was being cooked by mother. In this way, we shall be eating mango. Mango will be eaten by us. Next structure, active, have has had plus verb 3, passive, been plus verb 3. Mother has cooked rice. Mother has cooked rice. So passive will be rice has been cooked by mother. Rice has been cooked by mother. In this way we can change another sentence. Ali had caught fish. Fish had been caught by Ali. We shall have eaten mango. Mango will have been eaten by us. Next and last structure, active, modal auxiliary. If you get modal auxiliary, then you will add be plus verb 3. Modal auxiliary, that means can, could, shall, should, may, might, etc. Example, active, you must write the poem. Passive, the poem must be written by you. The poem must be written by you. Active, she may help you. Passive, you may be helped by her. Active, we should perform our prayers. Passive, prayers should be performed by us. Dear students, if you practice changing voice in this way, it will be very easy for you, we hope. And no more today. In the next video we shall discuss voice change from another sentences. And stay with us, stay safe, stay home, and subscribe our channel. Share this video with your friend. Thank you for watching.